Hey everyone, in this video I'll be talking to you about the top 3 most powerful plugins you need to have downloaded on your computer. The plugins I'll be talking about today are third-party plugins, but if you want to see a video on built-in plugins, let me know in the comments down below. Also, links to all of these plugins talked about in this video are going to be in the description below. Without wasting time, here's the first plugin on our list. Coming in at number 1 is Saber. Saber is a free plugin offered by Video Copilot. This plugin allows its users to create beams of light that can be used to animate text, masks, lasers, and more. Its effect controls are easy to use and customized to your liking. If you want quick results for what you're looking for, Saber has 50 fully customizable presets to choose from. To this day, I have yet to run out of uses for this plugin. In my opinion, Saber should be worth at least $200, and it's crazy to me that it's free. Coming in at number 2 on our list is Trapcode Particular. Red Giant's Trapcode Particular is a plugin that gives the ability to add particles to After Effects projects. These particles move in 3D space and are fully customizable. You can create things like smoke trails, fireworks, frozen blaster bolts, electric trails, sparks, you name it. The particles use real physics as well as After Effects cameras and lights. And like Saber, there are several customizable presets to get you started. You can get Trapcode Particular with Red Giant Complete that costs $599 a year, or by buying the Trapcode Suite, which is a one-time purchase of $999. Last but not least, coming in at number 1 on our list is Element 3D. This is by far my favorite plugin in After Effects. Element 3D is an advanced 3D object and particle rendering engine built right into After Effects. I've used every aspect of this plugin and I can say confidently that it is the best After Effects plugin out there. With this plugin, you can animate and render 3D objects, particles, and textures with ease right inside of After Effects. After a little bit of practice, you can pull off some pretty amazing renders using Element 3D. This plugin utilizes After Effects built-in cameras and lights to seamlessly blend your 3D projects into a scene. Element 3D has what seems like unlimited potential when it comes to working in the 3D space. Element 3D comes in at $199.95. This is extremely cheap given all the function it offers to its users. If you haven't gotten these plugins already, I highly recommend doing so. And again, all the links to these plugins are in the description below. That's the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, I'll see you later.